In the world of haute horlogerie, few collaborations strike the perfect balance between heritage and modern craftsmanship like this one. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Angelus x Massena LAB chronograph Télémètre in yellow gold, a stunning tribute to mid-century chronographs, blending old-world charm with contemporary technical excellence. Following their acclaimed Chronographe Medical in 2023, Angelus and Massena LAB reunite for a second masterpiece, this time a hand-wound mono-pusher chronograph with a black domed dial and a luxurious 18K yellow gold case. The proportions are spot-on for vintage lovers, 37 millimeters in diameter and just 9.25 millimeters thick. The slim, polished bezel and sharply twisted lugs enhance that classic wrist-hugging comfort, while the single pusher, integrated coaxially with the crown, keeps the silhouette clean and authentic. Turn it over, and the sapphire caseback reveals the movement, a window into horological history. Water resistance is rated at 30 meters, but let's be honest, this is a watch to admire, not dive with. Now, the dial. This is where Massena LAB's signature aesthetic shines. The domed black dial evokes the drama of vintage chronographs, with a grained center that reduces glare, and a satin-finished telemeter scale around the edge. Gold-applied Arabic numerals and baton indices gleam under light, while the leaf-shaped hands, filled with superluminova, bring subtle modern utility. Two recessed subdials at 9 and 3 o'clock balance the design beautifully, one for the running seconds and one for the 30-minute chronograph totalizer. It's a composition that feels both nostalgic and refined. Powering the chronograph Télémètre is the caliber A5000, a hand-wound mono-pusher chronograph crafted within the Lejeune ecosystem. Its architecture traces back to a legendary trio, F.P. Journe, Denis Flageolet, and Vianney Halter, the same minds behind the famed Cartier CPCP Tortue Monopoussoir. Operating at 21,600 vibrations per hour, it offers a 42-hour power reserve and features traditional column wheel control with horizontal coupling. The finishing? Simply exquisite. Gold-toned bridges with Geneva stripes, polished bevels, perlage on the main plate, and even palladium-coated chronograph works for added contrast. It's a movement that doesn't just measure time, it celebrates it. Completing the look is a black Saffiano calfskin strap secured by an 18K yellow-gold pin buckle. Only 10 pieces of this limited edition exist, each one a perfect marriage of Massena LAB's design philosophy and Angelus's watchmaking legacy. While pricing is available on request, the gold reference from Angelus retailed for around 32,300 Swiss francs, making this a truly exclusive collector's piece. Elegant, historic, and technically masterful, the Angelus x Massena LAB chronograph Télémètre in yellow gold captures the soul of vintage chronographs with the precision of modern haute horlogerie. What do you think of this collaboration? Would you wear a 37mm mono pusher in gold? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth luxury watch reviews.